welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here. You're watching the YouTube channel Bay Real Experts in Panama City Beach, Florida. And we are realtors with Coldwell Banker Realty, but we're gonna do a, what are we doing today, Alice?
We're gonna do a tour of this beautiful rental property of a couple friend of ours. They are
Past clients,
yes. They're putting this house on the rental market. So if you like to come to Panama City Beach, South Lagoon, and rent this beautiful home, you can just click on the link below that we're gonna post it for you guys. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath.
And we're walking distance to the Gulf, by the way, you
Oh,
guys.
yes. With less than a block.
So here,
just steps.
You got yourself a fire pit to hang out. It's actually perfect weather for having a fire.
Yes.
Let's do that
You
tonight.
have an outdoor shower? Outdoor shower?
Outdoor shower?
Yes. So you can then jump in the pool.
Yeah, right on. Cool. All right, so this is the outside. You want to show us the half bath, and then we'll go to the main house?
So super cute. So you're launching in the pool, and you use the restroom. Here you are.
Yeah, so this is perfect. You don't have to trample water through the main house when you're just needing to take a little break.
Right, and of course, you have the gated area here for the pool, and you also have all this space here to...
I love these pavers.
Enjoy yourselves.
I really like how they painted the fence black as well. It just gives a very modern feel back here. I love it.
Right.
Let's go inside.
And I believe they're pet friendly.
Check this out.
Isn't that beautiful?
That's an extra large opening there for the slider. I bet you that really is going to make this living room feel like it's just that much bigger because it opens up to the back there. Yeah, for sure. I like that.
Look at this kitchen.
Coming, dear, coming.
I know.
She's excited about different things than me right now.
By the way, everything is brand new. This house was completely renovated, so you're staying in a brand new home. It's super cute, decorated. There's your coffee maker for your morning. And you have your wine fridge, beer fridge.
Does it come fully stocked with the
I
really
don't
light,
know
I
about
wonder?
that. You might.
Hey, you can if this is like we're gonna tell you guys some good etiquette for Airbnb, VRBO, leave something behind.
Right?
No need to, reduce your gas mileage by putting all that beer back in the car and taking it home with you. Just
Show
leave
over
it
here.
for the next person.
Show over here how close we are to the water.
Okay.
Right there.
That way? Oh, no,
Right there.
that way. I'm just kidding, you guys. I know where the water is. We got Gulf Gate right there. If you're familiar with Panama City Beach, Gulf Gate Condo is right there. You do have public beach access just to the left and right.
And if you have a big family, you can rent this house too.
Yeah, this is also a vacation rental. Same group of friends own that property right next door.
Plenty of parking space here.
Yeah, let's see. You got like 1, 2, at least 3 cars that you could pull up here.
So let's show the rest of the house.
Yes, let's do
The
that.
bedrooms. They have a little area here on the left so you can hang your purse so you don't forget your belongings when you go into the pool.
Okay.
Or when you go to the beach. So beautiful.
A lot of nice details in here. This is the card playing table, I guess. Or if you just want to have a meal there, yeah, I suppose you could do that too.
Right.
It's not all about fun and games. Sometimes we have to feed ourselves. Here's your first bathroom.
It's like, this is not just that cookie cutter beach house that you see everywhere.
Right.
This is a home full of beautiful details.
Yeah, not only is the layout unique compared to what you can rent in Panama City Beach, but the furnishings are exquisite. Really nice job they did here. Second bedroom.
Right? And you have a space for your, if you have to do some work like we do.
Right. Even on vacation, we're working, right?
Right.
You get a view of the pool from this bedroom.
King size.
As Alice mentioned, there's your concrete workstation.
Fully loaded, what is it?
Hopefully it's not fully loaded.
Full size.
We don't want laundry. We don't want to do laundry. We're doing a video.
Yes, if you need to do laundry, there you are.
The lights don't flicker in here. Alice is just having a light switch rave.
Trying to turn the fan off, but
that's okay.
And here's your other bedroom.
She was trying to make it interesting. She's like, I don't want you to have to put Adobe effects on this. I'll just play with the light switches. Here's our last bedroom.
I love all the windows and light in the room. It feels very bright. Here's the window to the front of the house.
Yep. All right, so we're gonna wrap this up for you guys. We gave you the whole tour of the property. Like we said, if you wanna rent this place, see what days are available, we'll leave the booking information or a link to it down in the description below. And if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, let us know that you like this. If you're one of our past clients and we haven't done one of these tours for your rental, make sure to give us a call. We would love to do that for you.
We'd love to do that.
And lastly, I think I forgot to ask you guys to hit the subscribe button. Check the date on this video, but hopefully we're climbing towards 1.5 right now. That sounded like 1 million, but we're really only at like 1,300 or 400 right now. Yeah. Let's try and get to 1,500, you guys. Make it happen.
And if you like to own a property like that in Panama City Beach, we can find you that piece of jewel for you.
There's the pitch. Yes, we do help with listing and purchasing of real estate in Panama City Beach, actually anywhere in Northwest Florida. So if that sounds fun to you guys, hit us up.
Bye-bye for now.